So for today's video, I'll be showing you roast lamian. It's a twist on roast pasta, but instead we're using Evergreen's lamian. So first you want to finely dice your onion and crush your garlic before setting that aside. Now over a medium-high heat, you want to add some oil to your pot before letting that come up to temperature. Before adding in your onions and sauteing for a couple of minutes. Once that's done, add in your garlic and saute that for a minute, ensuring it doesn't burn. At this point, you could totally throw in some diced prawns, some diced chicken, even some tofu. Meanwhile, over a rolling boil, drop your noodles into a pot of water and boil that for 7 minutes. Once the aromatics are done sauteing and the onions have taken on a nice golden brown consistency, now you can come in with your canned tomato and let that simmer for a couple of minutes before adding in your heavy cream. And the heavy cream gives it this nice rosy complexion while adding a nice hint of creaminess. Let that simmer again before adding in your noodles and voila! Plate it up, garnish it with spring onion, coriander, fried onion, whatever you like. And enjoy. This is a super simple and super quick noodle pasta hybrid that I'm sure you guys are gonna love. Wow. Oh god. Cool, so that was roast lamian, and if you guys enjoyed that, check the description for the recipe, and thanks for watching.